Kitchen 101. The classic Bloody Mary is a mix of vodka, tomato juice, and seasonings like Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and hot sauce. It's usually served in a glass, rimmed with celery salt and garnished with a stick of celery or a pickle spear. But like many classic recipes, the Bloody Mary has been reinvented more times than anyone can count. One option is to use a flavored vodka like peppercorn or cucumber. Or you can infuse your own. Try using bacon or hot peppers. Another option is to change up the mix. Pre-made mix is readily available, or you can make your own, like this Sriracha Bloody Mary spiced up with Sriracha sauce and fresh squeezed lime juice. The best part of a Bloody Mary, in my opinion, is the garnish. Sure, celery or pickle can do the trick, but poached shrimp, olives, meat sticks, cheese cubes, and even sliders have all been skewered off the side of this cocktail. Bloody Marys are best served midday, on weekends, and with a group of friends. See you next time.